Hi, I'm Daniel Hinojosa, presenter here at No Fluff Just Stuff. In this half-day class, we discuss Kafka. This class is to level set for the beginner. Our goals are to go through what it is, how to develop a producer and a consumer. We discuss some of the important facets to Kafka, including offsets, rebalancing, buffer pools, and retries. Kafka is important because of its design. Kafka's design is to ensure high availability. If a node in the cluster goes down, that is fine. Others will pick up. If a consumer goes down, that is also okay. There will always be a consumer to handle it. The creators of Kafka is obsessive about keeping systems always running and processing data, which is why it is an important keystone in many architectures. Kafka definitely is a must-know. It is a data backplane of the modern microservice architecture. It's now being used as the first persistence layer of microservices and for most data aggregation job. I hope you join me for our 180-minute virtual session on Kafka.